if you're going to be a team player and you're going to feel that sense of connection, then what you got to be able to do is you got to be able to connect when it's not easy to connect. What I mean by that is, if you're in a position where someone, how many of you have somebody in your life from your past where maybe you were good friends at one point, or lovers, or business associates, but you're really close with this person, and then one day something happened. And when that happened, it changed your life forever in your relationship, and maybe you've never spoken to them again since that day. How many have somebody like this somewhere in the back of your life? Raise your hand. Let me see your hands. Keep your hand up, and I want you to see what percentage of the room it is. It's about 90% of the room, okay? So what I want you to do is this. I want you to develop team-building muscles. Because when you have that sense of connection, you can do anything. But anybody can be loving and friendly to someone who's totally loving and friendly to you. If you're really going to get that sense of connection, that sense of real joy, the real passion, you got to be able to connect with somebody who has hurt you or been unfair to you.